everyone, I'm Jeep Momma, and I'm always looking for a good idea for a YouTube video. So I thought I would do the top 5 reasons I hate my Jeep. Whoa, stop! Don't ever use the word Jeep and hate in the same sentence. That's blasphemy. Blasphemy! So instead, these are my top 5 reasons I'm annoyed by my Jeep. I'm never annoyed by my Jeep, and I don't hate my Jeep. There are a lot of people out there that don't like Jeeps for many reasons, like miles per gallon, engine lag, it's noisy when you drive. Yeah, all those things are true, but when you have a relationship and you really, really love something or someone, you look past those little things that may annoy you. I've done that. I really don't care about the miles per gallon. What? $10 a week, maybe. The engine lag, yeah, my Jeep takes a little time getting up a hill, but you know what? I really don't care because I'm not in a hurry. I'm slowing down and enjoying life. And as far as the noise, that doesn't bother me because it reminds me that I'm in my Jeep. These are top 5 things that people do that annoy me when it comes to my Jeep. Number 1, my Jeep is not delicate. It's a badass rig that can handle anything. All the time I'm yelling at my kids, "Hey Michael, quit slamming the door. Hey Ben, quit slamming the door." But when it comes time to get in my Jeep, people don't close the door good enough. They think it's a delicate creature. It's not. You can slam the door, and you need to, because if you just close it like any other vehicle, that door ajar light is going to come on. You can slam the door. Number 2, this is something that annoys me beyond belief. Those road salt guys. Really? Do you need to put that much road salt on the roads? All it does is get on my Jeep. You're not doing me any favors. Stop putting the salt on the roads. Number 3, internet trolls. You all need to get off the internet. As a new Jeeper, I went to those Jeep forums expecting to find people that could help me. Since they have experience, they could share that experience with me. But no, when you ask a question, they'll just tell you, go search it on Google. Well, why are you even on a forum? Why are there even forums if they're just going to tell us to search Google? Be nice and help the person out. We are not all born with Jeep knowledge. We learn it as we go, and we learn it from you. So stop being an internet troll. Number 4, people who complain that they don't get a Jeep wave back. I used to be one of those people until one day I was driving along and my mind is elsewhere. I'm thinking about all the things I have to do, all the things I have to do at work. I got to get my kid here. I got to get my kid there. And I'm so distracted. And a Jeeper went by me and waved, and I didn't realize it until afterwards. I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. I forgot to wave. Then I began to realize maybe the other person who didn't wave to me a couple days ago, maybe their mind was elsewhere. So I just kind of let it go. And you know what? You really need to let it go. And you really need to stop being distracted by other things when you're in your Jeep. Take that time to enjoy yourself in your Jeep. Don't be thinking about what you need to do, where you need to go. Take your time and enjoy being in your Jeep. Number 5, what really, really annoys me is built, not bought. Who cares? So what if I didn't build everything on my Jeep? So what if I didn't do every modification on my Jeep? So what if I didn't do my own oil change? It's okay. And so what if I'd rather go off-roading than go into a Jeep show, or go into a Jeep show instead of going off-roading? It doesn't matter. That's the cool thing about Jeeps. No other vehicle is like this. There are so many different things you can do to your Jeep. There's so many different things you can do with your Jeep, and we're all different. So what? Built, not bought. My top 5 reasons there are people out there that annoy me about things when it comes to my Jeep. In the comments below, share with me what annoys you.